Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Andy View at the Hustle Raw, and today we got an awesome watch face to review. So stay tuned. Let's check it out. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video. Today we got an awesome watch face to take a look at by Original Watch Faces, and the name of the watch face is called Simmetic Fitness Assistant. Very nice look, a very unique look as well. In always on mode, you're pretty much going to get the same look. It's just going to be dimmed down, even that bright red heart that's in the center of the watch. Now, once you start to get into your step activity and info, these lines represent whether it's your miles walked or ran, your step count, your calories burned, your battery info, things of that nature, which I thought was a good look. Very unique design. Haven't seen nothing like this before. So I'm going to give them 2 thumbs up already in the door. So if I tap down at the bottom, I can get my music player. And if I tap the heart, of course, it's going to bring up my heart rate. And if I tap right here at the top and or on the side, it's going to bring up my calories burned, my step status. And if I tap right here, I can set an alarm. So I thought this was definitely a good look, a very unique look, and pretty much stylish. I'm liking it. But the question at the end of the day is, what do you think? All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.